Hey, YouTube fam. Today we are. Santana is making tuna.
Make sure it don't fall.
What are you doing right now, Tana?
Nothing.
What are you doing? Just opening it?
No.
How many how many you're gonna do?
I'm keeping the water for 2 and dumping the water for 2.
Well, can you scoot the stuff over to where it won't fall? Your elbow won't knock it over. Look, scoot it out of your way.
I'm Gucci. I'm good.
You're not
Ooh,
Gucci.
okay. That looks so much better.
Yeah, this looks kind of crazy. Niggas just go in there and see what you want to get.
That's why he was down here so long trying to sell a snack. He didn't know what he was getting.
He should have just got what he got and left.
See, now if it would have been like this, he'd be like, oh.
You got a bone. You might have not got caught.
You need more than 4. Come on, get some more.
That's what changes.
No, do more than 4 because we all eat it.
Oh.
Yeah. Look, no, you're not gonna do this right here, and you're gonna scoot it to the side. Hey, no.
No.
Look at what I'm telling you to do. Go get some more. You scoot it to the side. Watch your mouth before I embarrass you. Live. Okay. You scoot it to the side so you won't knock it down. If it was all laid out like that, your elbow can accidentally hit it and knock it all down, okay? Okay?
Kasia, what about those brownies?
Jason's not even here.
Then who's here?
Probably just in mind taking your practice with. Why you so close to it?
He's crazy.
Good.
You gotta have your nose to everything.
Okay, I need you to get a bowl up underneath the cabinet.
Where my boulders go?
No, that's not big enough. That's not big enough.
Decoration in our yard, the little chain. We put it on my arms.
You know those pointy bushes out there?
Ooh,
Get a-
no self-serve.
Oh, you got it.
You
They
Uh-huh.
just put
said.
his whole arm in that.
No, that's too big.
Stay messing me out sweatshirt.
You see the other one, the plastic one is too big.
Leave mine here.
It's too big, Santana. You don't have that much in there.
Here, bro. Okay.
Hey, you don't even have hair.
Her, use this rebel.
Do you even have hair? Talk to me when you get some hair. Yeah.
Drain your stuff first. No, go drain it first.
Take care of it.
I'm gonna drain all of it.
You need to drain it all. You get the juice from the mayo. I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you. Do you like hers better or do you like mine? Because you can follow her recipe if you like hers. Huh?
No.
Hers?
Yours.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, well, do her recipe then.
Right.
I got through it.
Even I got you a Coke in the refrigerator.
Thanks.
Yuck.
That's a good idea. Brilliant.
Simple screen. That's raw. That's well, not raw. He's good.
Move it out the way so you won't knock it over.
But the 7th grade team's not gonna be that good.
Because they only have 2 good players.
Yeah, they don't.
3, 4.
Their whole starting 5 is really good, but when they get tired, their bench players aren't bad, but aren't good.
They'll probably only play like 6, 7 people.
I just know
We get a condition on that.
You
you
already
better
are.
be dropping points at your
Come and do the other two.
Bro, you let me
Stay
drop
talking
the points.
about
Talking about all this
everybody.
noise.
You be talking about everybody.
Come to my games and you'll see.
Saying they ain't raw, they ain't
You
good.
too.
Who ain't raw?
Who? Yeah, you too.
Oh.
Yeah, y'all
Iman, that
both-
ain't even cold. Put it in the freezer to get cold while your noodles is getting
How
done.
raw y'all is and y'all gods at basketball.
Who said we're gods?
Natana always be saying.
Hey, you can clean one of these, yeah.
I haven't used that.
the other
Like
day.
I said,
She just said, I'm a card in 8 ball.
I said, no, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I did not
And
say.
then that's when I smacked you.
Definitely didn't smack me. You
I
did drop
definitely
one
did.
ball.
No, I definitely did. You had like 3 balls.
Let's
Do
go.
not smack me.
Come on, you know, put them.
Smacking is for. No,
Okay, now throw away all your stuff first.
That means that you didn't make nothing
parents, you didn't smack me.
in.
It's a trash right here. A trash bag right here. Right here. Come on, bro. Time to get this tuna. Let's go.
You want to smoke?
What smoke?
Get a spoon.
Way too much.
Get a spoon, just in case. And then push the can opener back. Finish it. Finish each one.
I was, Mama.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just apologize. It's over. No, get it back.
So you, bro.
It's on YouTube. You never responded back and ain't well. Or
I said I lost.
Yo, it's already almost 10 minutes. Tanner, put it down the right way. Stop playing with me.
That was why.
it takes forever.
That was too wet.
We can play 2 at a time if you want.
We already 7 minutes, and you just now put them in there. Come on, let's go.
How are we only 7 minutes? 7 minutes into live?
Yeah, we going. We on the YouTube.
You just want to play archery?
You teaching 9-year-olds how to make tuna.
So while I'm going, you can play that.
I'll do this again.
Why are you doing it that way? Is that the way that you're supposed to do it? Like hold it? Are you comfortable holding it like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Three, two, one, big. Ooh.
So yeah, he basically drained all the tunas.
How long is this video?
I don't know.
You can edit it out.
You have to be like 1 hour later.
Okay. Throw all the cans away.
All the time. Strikes.
It means you cleaning up behind yourself. We ain't stacking it. No, that's enough. What I just say? Don't make me embarrass you. Okay, go ahead. Throw it away behind you. Come on, behind you. Right in the bag. Let's go. Mayo. Get up. Don't get up. Right. Mayo.
I feel like it was just
It was, but we got some already in the refrigerator. Get it out. Mayo. Sweet relish.
sweet relish,
Mustard.
mustard.
Let's go.
Mayonnaise always fresh.
Oh, I see you.
Shake the mayonnaise up. Shake the mayonnaise up. Really? Come on, Santana. Stop playing. You play all the time. Come on. Scoot the bowl up closer so it won't fall off the edge of it. Mayo.
Yeah, I just missed those.
That's why I told you to shake it up. Close it. Close the top on it. And reshake it. Look. You can do this. Look. Look at me. Look. To where everything from up here goes down.
Good.
No. Put some more in there. Put some more. Put some more. Okay. Close it.
Missed that?
Use the spoon. Shake it up. I mean, stir it up. Don't do that again. Stir it up. Does it look dry?
Wait, a little bit more.
Put some sweet relish in it. Leave the spoon inside of it. Do the relish the same way I just showed you. You don't got to slam it. You do not have to slam it. Do the relish. Oh, do it. Open it over the thing next time. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Okay, now close the thing. Now unscrew the top off of it. Do it over the thing. Yeah. That's all right. Do it over it. Do some more. Let go of it and then re-squeeze it. Let go of it. Let go. Look. Then you see it like that.
Yeah.
And then you can re-squeeze it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now turn it upside down. There you go. Stir it up a little more. I use pepper. I use salt. Look at it as you're doing it so you see how much you're putting in there. Look at the pepper as you do it. You can do a little more. Not all in one spot because you got enough tuna, so you want the pepper to be all over the tuna. Look. Watch me. Look. Look. Look at me. Look at the tuna. I mean, look at the thing. Look. I'm just shaking over. There. There you go. Stir it up.
Spicy.
It's not going to be spicy.
Next is mustard.
Open. Ooh. Open a little bit of mustard. Shake it up first. Always shake it up first. You got tuna on your face because you was doing the most. Okay, put it over the thing. When you open it, over the thing. Put a little bit, squeeze a little. A little bit more. A little more. A little more. All right. That's it. One more. That's it. Close it. Stir it up.
Didn't put no salt.
Open it. There. Look. With salt, listen, look at me. It's come out fast because it's not a shaker. So you hold it up and you pour. You see it? That's cool. Open this. Just a little more because your stuff look dry. A little more. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. All right. That's cool. That's cool. Close it. Put it to the side.
Don't do it over here on my phone, bro. Your trash lady.
That's a lot.
It's not a lot. You think it's a lot. When we put the eggs in, and a little bit of onions, just a little bit of onions.
Onions.
A little. You don't even taste it. That's why you didn't even know. Look right here. Get all the mayo. Mix it together. Now you can do a taste test. Make sure you get the bottom. Do it at the bottom too. Okay, now look. You can taste test around the side of the bowl. No, not with the spoon, with your hand. Let's go right here. Taste it. What do you think? There's no egg in it yet. What do you think? Come on, we almost into 15 minutes.
Good.
It's good? You don't need nothing else? No, it's already wet. It's enough. It's wet enough for mayo. We get no. Wait till we put the eggs in it.
Only had $5 to get it bus.
Okay. Come on. Put your top back on all your stuff.
I did.
Put your top back on it. It's not.
I know, because I hit one for like 19 and 15.
So look, let me show you. Guys, we're gonna cut up onion right here. And then we have the eggs. So all you do is cut up the eggs
Hurry up, my
and
boy.
put them in here. We're gonna put
You shut this?
Hurry up.
Can I get some of this?
No, that's mine.
3 eggs in there, and then we basically done. So these are the ingredients.
I get some of me.
That's it.
Like a little
An egg. Don't
I don't
forget.
have a spoon.
Make you
I hope
work.
y'all enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like and tell us how you make your tuna. Jenna, tell them thanks for watching.